Today, I would like to share with you a tip on how to use categorical covariates in your Phoenix models. So I have a data set here, which has some PK data for multiple subjects, and there's some demographic information in here, age, body weight, and gender, and we have not yet used those in our model. Now you notice the gender column is text values. It says either male or female as I go up and down here. So I'm going to make use of those in my model, but I'm going to start by just taking my base model, which did not include any covariates. I'm just going to duplicate it and make one that I will call, as you might expect, covariate model. And the first thing that I would do is put in the covariates. You can do that by going to the parameters tab. And then under structural, you can add from unused. So I have those three columns. I have not mapped anything yet. So I'll choose age, body weight, and gender and add them as covariates. Now it's going to assume that everything is a numerical covariate. Gender is not. The other two are. Age is a number, body weight is a number. But what I need to do is to change this gender covariate by going up to covariate type. And I have a pull down with the three different covariates here. I'm going to look at gender. Gender is not a continuous one. It is in fact a categorical because it can either have 0 or 1, or I'm sorry, male or female, which I'm going to convert to 0 or 1. The problem is that I don't yet have zeros and ones. I can put 0 and 1 here, and if they were in 0 and 1, it would just use them. But here's the tip. You can turn on this button here, and then you can put the name of the category, which would be male and female. And this will convert to male to 0 and female to 1, or you could reverse it if that's how you want to do it. But that will automatically convert the covariates. Now, I haven't yet used the covariates in the model, but I would use this step first, where I just recompute the model having defined the covariates. I will have it done in just a second here with the results. And then what I'll show you is where you can see how this has been converted, how the gender male and female has been converted to zeros and ones. And we'll see that in the output. All right, the model is done. So let's go to, let me just bring this down here and bring this over. There are some outputs that have covariate information in them. So let's just look at a couple of plots here. One is the covariate box plot. Here you can take a look at how the different parameters differ from the different covariates. So we have 0 and 1, which was male and female, the way I set it up. So you can see here that all the data has been converted from those text values to the zeros and ones. And then there are covariate plots for the other covariates are continuous, so they're on a different kind of plot. From there, I could then go through doing a covariate search and decide which of these are important enough covariates to use in my model. So that's just a quick tip on how to use categorical covariates in your model. Hope that was useful, and we'll see you at the next video.